especially is the location of it. Thank you, Paul. Thank you for being the part of me. Could you please come here? मैम का मेरे लिए एक इंटरव्यू लो मेरे साथ में. थैंक यू मैम. एक मिनट, कौशल भाई किधर है? ये मैंडेटरी है भाई, इनके बिना मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. थैंक यू मैम.
एक्चुअली ऑरेंज मिंट जब थाना में खुला था, फर्स्ट लॉन्च इन थाना, तो उसी वक्त ऐसा लग रहा था कि ऐसा इस लॉन्च की कहीं ना कहीं फ्रेंचाइजी होनी चाहिए. और धीरे धीरे होते वो चेंबूर, वाशी ऐसी फ्रेंचाइजी हो गई थी. और जब मुझे पता चला कि ये पवई में भी हो रही तो मैं बहुत खुश हुआ, क्योंकि इस लॉन्च की खासियत ऐसी है कि इस लॉन्च की सर्विस, फूड क्वालिटी, मैंने आज तक जितने भी लॉन्च घुमा हूँ उससे बहुत बेहतरीन है. सबसे खास बात, इस ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च का जो स्टाफ है वो बहुत फ्रेंडली है, बहुत अच्छा है. और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इस ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च की वजह से पवई में एक अच्छी लॉन्च यहाँ के पब्लिक को मिली है. तो थैंक्स टू ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च एंड वेलकम द पवई पब्लिक. थैंक्स. या
अनिल सर के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं ये.
Yes.
तो आपको जो भी सवाल करना है मैम.
मंगेश सर मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड नहीं, मेरे गुरु जैसे हैं. आई लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम. जो भी मुझे सिखाते हैं मैं उनको फॉलो करता हूँ. इज़ लाइक अ मेंटर एंड इज़ अ वर्सटाइल एक्टर. आपने उनकी मूवीज़ देखी रहेंगी, जितनी भी आप देखेंगे आपको उनकी एक्टिंग की एवरी टाइम कुछ नया देखने मिलेगा. So I would ask all the viewers to go watch Mangesh sir's movie, and thank you very much, sir.
yes,
You are here.
all the best.
Thank
all the
you.
best. All the best. All the best. Yes. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Wishing Orange Mint and my brother Utkarsh. हाँ डाल दे बस भाई. Yeah, wishing Orange Mint a very warm welcome to the industry, bar and lounge. My friend Utkarsh Sharma. This is the fourth launch.
Yeah, it's a prime location now.
This is the fourth location now in Powai. Also, you guys can come and enjoy and have fun on Saturday night. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I love the updates thing. I hope you love the ambience as well. I'm very worried about it, but I hope. This is so unlike Mumbai. How are you doing? Nicely. So happy. Really thankful that you are here.
Come.
Take a
Well,
picture first.
let's have a picture. Let's have a picture first. Then we bro.
पहले आप
Thank you. Can I give you a solo picture?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Certainly, as soon as you enter, you get a different. Even Prashant sir one picture. With the up-country Switzerland feel.
Yeah.
Can I have a picture with you, sir?
Yeah. Sure.
After the
One we do together.
can all please come. No.
I am not as good looking or that's okay.
Utkarsh, come now. Come.
You come inside. It should be the same.
लास्ट वर्टेक्स से मिले थे हम लोग. We had a blast. We had a blast. Thank you.
I just hope I never. साथ में आ जाएगा.
All good.
अनिल भाई.
Ready. Rakesh, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You here for Orange Mint today, midst of rain, lovely weather, pandemic.
Very well.
You feel it's getting over. What do you have to say?
Which pandemic are we talking about? I think, wasn't it over? I thought it's over. This is so beautiful out here. If you guys change the camera angle, this is such a beautiful place. I really loved the ambience. I loved the uphill road that gets us here. This does not look like Bombay at all, and I'm so happy to be here. एक तो we are all very happy to see all of you all and everyone coming out of the tunnels, coming out of the houses and meeting everyone and getting back to life and celebrating life. It is such a happy feeling. I hope we are all safe and protected and happy and healthy, all of us, and let's all get back to life. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy to be here. All day lounge, right? This is so amazing. I'd like to come here in the afternoon also and see. This place looks beautiful, really beautiful. Let's see अंदर कैसा है. So I wish them all the very best. I hope they do very well, and people come here and have a good time, spend nice days, nice evenings here, and go back happy, healthy, and safe.
अच्छा मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ जरा मीडिया बाइट लेके. हाँ sorry.
What would you like to say? You're here for the launch of Orange Mint. What would you like to say?
Yeah, good evening. Is it the launch or I believe it's the launch? Okay. The name itself is very interesting. Orange is the color of autumn. Orange is the color of passion. It's the color of playfulness, joyfulness. Mint signifies excitement. I'm sure the name itself is so excitingly, combined is so exciting. I'm coming here for the first time. I'm sure the combination of orange and mint is going to be a very interestingly different experience. I wish the owners a fantastic journey ahead. Thank you.
How are you?
Picture ले लो पहले.
चलिए.
Come to you.
Yeah, Rakesh.
Please.
Thank you. Sure.
I guess our space secures you.
His name is Orange Mint, no? Shisha. Pardon?
Okay. You will ask something or? Yeah.
Utkarsh. Okay.
Stick to it.
So आज ऑरेंज में लॉन्च हो रहा है इतने प्राइम पवाई के लोकेशन पे. क्या कहना चाहेंगे विश्व से?
Wow, it's a great feeling. And first of all, congratulations for this grand opening of Orange Mint. And Orange Mint is something which is so attractive from outside. I'm sure that people, whomsoever passing this area, will definitely get magnetized towards this.
Yeah, hi, I'm Piyush Chauhan, your Indian Shakira, and this is a very good ambience. And you know, Orange Mint is, you know, it's a rock because it's a feel like something different. It's a very nice, amazing,
Nice vibes, nice feel, nice environment, and nice
good
people all around.
arrangements.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Take care. Thank you.
तो सर आज ऑरेंज मिंट लाउंज का लॉन्च है, इतना प्यारा एनवायरनमेंट है अंदर, इतना प्राइम लोकेशन है, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में? तो क्या
बेसिकली सबको हाय मेरी तरफ से एंड उत्कर्ष ने जो ये काम किया एक्चुअली आज सो बहुत अच्छा लॉन्च है ओके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्लब्स आजकल बहुत कॉम्पिटिशन्स में आ रहे हैं सो मार्केट में इतने क्लब्स ओपन आना और उनके बीच में रहना कॉम्पिटिटर बन के इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब ओके एंड ही इज़ डूइंग दैट आई एक्चुअली सल्यूट हिम फॉर दैट एंड आई नो हिम आई गेस फ्रॉम सिंस लाइक 4-5 years 4-5 साल से मैं जानता हूँ उसको सो ही इज़ बिन वर्किंग हार्ड डे इन डे आउट तो उसका जैसे कॉल आया मैंने बोला भाई ठीक है आ जाएंगे आपके लिए जान हाजिर है ये तो सिर्फ लॉन्च है
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू